Today, I'll show you how to add product variants on Squarespace. Whether you're running a small online boutique or a larger e-commerce platform, efficiently managing your product offerings is crucial. Adding variants to your products like different colors, sizes, or styles can enhance the shopping experience for your customers and make it easier for them to find exactly what they're looking for. Let's dive right into the process. The first step is to open the product you want to edit. Start by navigating to your Squarespace dashboard and selecting the store where your product list resides. Once you're in the store section, locate the specific product you want to add variants to and click on it. This will open up the product editing panel where you can manage all the details related to that item. As you scroll down the product editing panel, you'll come across a section labeled either inventory or variants. This section is the key to adding options to your product. Here, you'll find a button that says Add Options or Add Attributes. Clicking this button will allow you to start customizing your product variants. Now, it's time to name the option. Think of this as the category under which all your variants will fall. For example, if you're offering a t-shirt in multiple colors, the option name would be Color. You might also create option names for sizes, materials, or any other attributes relevant to your products. Be descriptive and clear with your naming, as this will help customers make informed choices. After you've named the option, it's time to add the specific option names. These are the actual variants within the category you've just created. Using the t-shirt example, under the color option, you might add red, blue, green, and so on. Take your time to list all the variations available for each option. This step is crucial because it defines the choices your customers will see and select from when they view the product on your site. Once you've entered all the option names, make sure to click the Save button. Saving your changes ensures that all the variants are correctly applied to the product, and it updates the product details on your site immediately. This step is often overlooked, but forgetting to save can lead to confusion or missing information when customers are browsing your store. That's it. You've successfully added product variants to your Squarespace store. By organizing your products through these variants, you'll not only streamline the purchasing process for your customers, but also enhance their shopping experience, making it easier for them to find exactly what they need. Remember, well-structured product listings can significantly impact your sales and customer satisfaction. I hope this guide helped you understand how to add product variants on Squarespace. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to check out more of our Squarespace tips and tricks. As always, feel free to leave a comment with any questions or share how these steps worked for you. Thanks for watching and happy selling.